makulay, makinang at intricate designs. Ito ang panlaban ng mga Pilipino sa jewelry industry sa buong mundo. Gamit ang iba't ibang materyales tulad ng gold, silver, diamonds, pearls, shells at iba't iba pang mga diamante, nakakabuo ang Pinoy ng mga jewelry designs na talaga namang world class. Ngayong taon, isang contest ang inilunsad ng Guild of Philippine Jewelers Incorporated, ang Philippine Jewelry Design Competition in line with their 20th anniversary celebration.
It was a capacity building exercise because since all creative industries are fashion driven, and if we really want to grow the jewelry industry, we need to also develop our own designers. So that's why we decided to have to hold this competition, and hopefully we will be holding it every year.
Sa simula, nag-alangan sila sa bilang ng mga participants dahil nga bago pa lang ang competition.
Fortunately, when it came to the preliminary judging, there was a very good response, and we were very happy with the level, with the quality of designs we received. The theme this year was nature, so that was very wide, very broad, so we could really just ask people to develop ideas and be more creative rather than stick to the classic traditional jewelry. We wanted particularly the students to realize that there's a lot more to jewelry than just rositas or stud earrings. So we wanted very creative items, and we were happy that we actually got some very interesting designs. We had 3 categories, and out of the 3 categories, we had 5 semi-finalists, but I think we ended up with 16 because 2 tied. So we have 16 being manufactured now for the final judging in November. So we want to build up a design tradition.
Kaya naman sa mga jewelry makers at designers na gusto maging part ng Guild of Philippine Jewelers Incorporated at kanilang mga activities, pwede nyo silang tawagan sa 728-1722-26 or visit www.guildofphilippinejewelersincorporated.com or www.guildofphilippinejewellersinc.com.